Any business you go into, it's never going to sustain itself if you don't have good people, just like JRA. Everybody's super friendly, goes out of their way to help you. It's almost like a family environment.
To date right now, I think we use Google Ads, SEO, dedicated rep service. We buy junk removal trucks. They're built like tanks. The US ever goes to war, we're charging out with those things first.
By using JRA's proven methods, I'm at the point where we're starting to develop systems where the business can operate with me not as involved into the day-to-day operations. And as we expand, we have systems in place to be able to do that effectively.
Those tips that JRA has provided, I would have figured it out, but it would have been through some blood, sweat, a little bit of frustration, and probably a whole lot of money, but that time was shaved.
I think with the junk removal industry, the sky's the limit.
We just hit job number 100 in a short amount of time, which I feel is pretty good for a small business that just started. I don't think I'd be at job 40 without them. It's seriously without the Google ads, the SEO, all the support I get from everybody.
It eliminates a lot of the day-to-day marketing and other aspects of the business that would be on me as a business owner. It puts that into trusted advisors to handle that know what they're doing, where it frees me up to focus on truck operations and business development and more local aspects of the business.
Business would be harder without using JRA's services. I mean, obviously you could go hire somebody to do all the same stuff they do, but it would be a lot more expensive. I think it would just take a lot longer to grow.
I'd say to pull the trigger, invest in yourself, invest in your dream. JRA is going to take you in the direction that you want to go. It's money well spent.